Hey guys, it's Ivy coming from Wild Thorn. I have never done an introductory video, so I'm just here to introduce myself. I'm going to be filming a little weekend look on Lindsay, but first I just wanted to talk about my availability coming up this summer. I haven't been too available, only really on weekends, so starting June 1st, I will be here until the end of August. I really want to build my portfolio and see lots of new faces. I'm really excited to start doing lots of weddings. So for a more natural finish, I like to put it on my hand and then kind of go off of my hand and then go straight onto the skin with the Beauty Blender. This is a high definition foundation, but it's also really radiant, so it looks just like your skin and it photographs really well. So this is really ideal for anybody who's getting like senior pictures, any type of like wedding, bridal party, anything like that. You should never be able to see where your makeup ends. So I really focus right on the chin and then kind of bring it down. I'll go on the part of the Beauty Blender that doesn't really have any product on it and then buff that down like this. I always do the forehead last because I feel like it needs the least amount of product. I don't want a cakey forehead.
That is a great tip.
Focus mostly all my product right on the cheeks and then I go out from there. So I never put anything too heavy on the nose, on the chin, like this way. And then I never put too much product right underneath the eyes, that way it doesn't sit into our natural smile lines and all the things. So right now I'm just going through and highlighting all the places where the sun naturally hits you. So right down your nose, right in the center of your forehead. And I still have a little bit of product on the back of my Beauty Blender, so if I go too light, I can kind of just work that out. And then I go right underneath the eyes just to brighten it up a little bit. I like to go underneath the nose because we get kind of red right there. Okay, now we're going to contour, which I'll do a powder sometimes, but if we're going for like a dewy look, I love to do just like a nice liquid one. For this, I'm actually using a darker foundation. So it kind of is more creamy. Place it all around the hairline, right on the sides of the nose. Underneath to shorten the nose, I'll go right here to kind of cut it off. And then we can also go right underneath the jawline. And I like to shorten the forehead. Okay, so right now I am just setting that lighter concealer that we put right underneath the eye. That way it doesn't move around during the day. And then anywhere else I put really light concealer, I kind of just put that everywhere. To get a really natural highlight, I'll put my finger in it and then I'll just dab right on top of the cheekbone. And this is like a pink highlighter. Well, kinda pinky gold, which this looks really good with your skin tone. My favorite places to highlight, right on the tip of the nose, right here. Right on the top of the lip. I'm gonna go in with this Dusty Rose color and just kind of place that right in the corner. Open for me. If you open your eyes while you do it, then you can kind of see exactly where you should go, and then you can close them, and then I just keep going over that just to deepen it a little bit. I'll focus the darker color right out here in the crease.
So about how long do you think people should book a trial before their actual wedding?
Typically, I would say like at least a month out, like at the very least.
Yeah.
Like I love the brides that book like 2 or 3 months in advance just to see, and things change. That way if you need to come back again so we can like explore, I mean, I don't know, ideas change, and if you like change your mind, or if you're like super tan and you want me to try a different like look on you or something.
Yeah. Or I was just gonna say, yeah, if you see something like even more recent that you like better.
Right, and then we could try it out. Because again, it's like, it's your day, and if you don't,
you photographed your most photographed day ever.
Exactly. So if we want to try something else and see how that works, then that's definitely a good amount of time to kind of experiment. I like to twirl it so I can get every inch. So whenever I do my setting spray, I like to hold it like 10 inches away from the face. And then I will go like this.